up? I'm in the street right now in the freaking car.
What's your YouTube channel?
Okay, Maggie Woodcock. Everybody go click that red subscribe button, even though no one else listens to me.
Hey, give it to me too. Hey guys, click the red subscribe button down below. And on my channel, Norman Howell. Please and thank you.
No, well, that's not demonetized. These videos. Gavin, shout yourself out. Hi, shout your YouTube. Don't click it. Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ. Oh my God.
There's a 6-point down start.
Hey,
That white thing up on my
what is that? The knives? Get out! God! What? Oh my God, my camera's just fine.
Yeah. Norman Howell here today. Why? Ready?
Don't do the floss! Oh, Jesus Christ, they're coming after me! Oh, Jesus Christ! Jesus Christ! Jesus Christ! I can't take the L because I'm holding my phone. Stop the PewDiePie! Jesus Christ! Hit me! Hang on. Hey guys, what's going on?
I'm gonna ride down 2 blocks, come back down, okay?
I'm gonna go pee.
Go ahead.
I'm just gonna go pee in those bushes. I'm gonna go pee in those bushes, guys. Yo, do you know who's clickbait? Hey, Gavin, guess who's clickbait? Gavin, guess who's clickbait? His name is I'm J Station. He's such a clickbait. I thought it was real at first, but now I forgot to unsubscribe to him. So. Oh my God, my camera. I'm gonna wipe off my camera. Okay, guys. Let me just wipe it off. Okay, my phone's wiped off. Ready to go. Ooh, I'm just joking. That's just stupid. Yo, let's go inside and record. Yo, I'm gonna go inside and record. Norman? Hello. He's gaming. Hey, yo, say hi. I'm freaking recording right now. What are you doing?
This is someone from school, my real life friends. You guys, if y'all were to the living room, the bomb Jason, finder, Jason has to have that because he's a child.
Okay. I'm gonna play some Nintendo Switch, guys. Oh my God, how do I freaking do this? How do I set this up? Nintendo Switch. camera? Yo, I'm gonna get one of them. Yo, can one of you hold the camera, please?
Yeah.
I'm trying to play. I want to play some Nintendo.
Dad, for me, peasant.
No, come on, let's go.
I'll do it.
Can you hold it?
Yeah.
Yeah, just. Do you want your face in it?
Oh, there he is.
No, I'm good.
Hey, from
You don't want your face?
No.
Why don't you want people to see your face? All the dumb YouTubers don't let people see their face.
Well, we're gonna. You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, we're recording on it right now. Guys, I'm gonna be playing on Nintendo Switch for my second time on Fortnite. You say Fortnite's dead, yeah? You're dead.
What do you?
Yeah. Just flip that around, and then point it at the screen.
Okay.
Point it at that screen. Yo, legit, why is there an air?
Just click A.
Oh, Chug Splash, play the game. Hey. Point it at the screen.
I am.
Oh my god. Like, I don't remember. Oh.
I have a skin. Know that?
Can you stop? What is going on? What is going on?
He's not doing anything. Look. Nothing. Nothing in touch. And
Oh
look.
my god, something's going on. I'm pretty sure it's this one.
No. The controllers are broken. The controllers are broken. Dance for me, peasant. Hey. Copier.
Dance for me, peasant.
That's probably a meme on his thing.
Okay, let's go. Let's go play some World Rush, yeah?
You got to the cat. Oh my god. Look at that cat.
The views go up.
Hey.
Oh.
Yo, kitty.
Okay. Okay, yeah, just point at.
Okay. No, want to know something? So basically, this cat, he used to, like, he used.
Point at my face when I get a kill. Like, no, you won't. You'll do stuff funny. Yo, don't judge me. It's my first time on Nintendo. The second time. Ooh. Game mode. Jesus Christ, I need to jump.
I'm not gonna hold this camera. Somebody else.
Gavin. Oh my God, we spawned at the worst place.
Dance for me, peasant.
No copyright on my channel. Gavin. Did you stop it?
No.
I need to stop it.
I'm trying fitting it in frame all the way.
This part sucks. I got no weapons. Who cares about that dynamite?
Okay, I don't think anybody would like these because they're spicy nacho. Look at that face. Look at those hand movements. Look at
I suck at this.
that. Kid, you trash.
Yeah, this is my first time playing.
Triggered. Do an emote.
No, I got.
Do an emote.
What the?
Oh my god, you are a genius. You are a genius.
Yo, I'm gonna see if.
Hon, show the viewers again.
Hey guys, that's my idea.
It's a Mountain Dew water gun.
Yo, look. Yo, I'm gonna see if the zombies actually know when you're a bush. I'm gonna be a bush.
can't hear you. No, these guys can't. Just that. Those guys on the TV.
Yo, they don't know I'm recording.
Very badly.
Yo, the dash kid has 0 points, so that means he has no points. He's coming! The zombies are coming! I need my drum gun out. Jesus, I can't stop moving. Don't rift me! No!
That's flippin' funny. Get a kill.
Okay, no, guys, just,
Oh. Dude, shoot him.
I'm trying to. Stop
Run.
shooting. Ah, attack, attack, attack!
Shoot it.
I am.
Oh.
Stop.
Well, they're serving Mountain Dew, so I'm gonna go.
Everyone! Okay, shut it off.
See you. Goodbye. Check out my channel, GJ555.
Oh, Jesus!
Subscribe and like all the videos. Goodbye.